All right, in some news coming in the Pune Posh car crash case, forensic reports confirm that the blood sample of a 17-year-old minor was swapped with his mother's to derail the investigation. The accused had allegedly caused the deaths of two software engineers in the city's Kalyani Nagar area after hitting their bike with his Porsche. Pune police produced the parents of the minor along with two doctors from the hospital and one staff member before the district court. And for the very latest on this, we're now being joined by principal correspondent Disha Shah from Mumbai. Disha, so significant that the investigation has now revealed that, the blood samples were actually swapped. What more are the investigation teams and the police saying at this moment?
Well, certainly this is a very big development in this case because remember the Pune police did not have anything on record to prove that the blood sample of the minor was swapped with his mother. But now the forensic reports have confirmed, and that is what they produced in the court today as well. So this is a very big development in the case to derail the entire investigation so that the son could avoid the detection of the alcohol. The parents entirely planned this and hid the evidence is what the Pune police have also told the court today. And it is a very, serious investigation also that has been going on since the past 15 days or so. And keeping in mind the investigation and the material of evidence that the Pune police submitted to the court, the parents have been sent to the police custody till June 10th. As far as for the doctors and the staffer is concerned, their police custody also has been extended to June 7th. And for the minor whose remand ended today at the observation center, the Juvenile Justice Board has has extended his remand till June 12th. So for a week more, so that police can actually, speak to the minor more if they want to. And the investigation has really widened and deepened in this case. More than 12 police teams have been formed. 100 police personals are there actively investigating each and every angle on this case. Multiple aspects. We also saw two arrests being happening recently yesterday for the blood tampering case. So all of this is something which is winding up, and the police is also suspecting that more people are likely involved in this case because in the CCTV footages that they have got, there are multiple people who are involved in this case. So the investigation continues on this front.
Right, Disha, thanks very much indeed for joining us with the latest on the investigation by the Pune police in this case. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.